Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can see yourself in different hair colors on the Face app. So you're just going to hit the gallery section here and you are going to get a photo. Just going to select this one, and instead of hairstyles I'm just going to kind of scroll to the left here and I'm going to select hair colors, which is here. They have a few options. They have light. I'm just going to zoom out on the photo once they've done processing it. They also have it in 5 levels. I think the 5th one is the lightest, I think. Yes, it is. They also have one for dark. They also have the levels here. And they also have like this textured one, which I don't really know what it does. They also have the shiny one as well. They have this one for brown hair, and you can adjust the opacity here. You can also add in some really fun colors. They have like red, again you can adjust it, pink, purple, green, blue, and again just adjust it so it doesn't look super fake. They also have one that's blonde here. They also have this one which is like a black color. My favorite one to add is like red, and again you can adjust it, and once you are done you're just going to hit the apply button and you're going to press save. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!